Welcome to the Bahamas! Reed and I are currently having an experience that I never expected us to have. Right now we are on family vacation aboard the Disney Wish. Hi, we're Denise and Reed, and you can usually find us living and traveling full-time in our self-converted van. But for the next 4 days, we are going to be aboard Disney's newest cruise ship with Reed's family. Meet Reed's parents, Debbie and Brad.
I am Groot.
Reed's brother and sister-in-law, Joey and Katie, and his adorable niece and nephew, Mackenzie and Jackson. That's right, we are on a cruise ship that has taken us to the Bahamas. But let me rewind so you can understand how we got here. We are embarking.
Please welcome aboard the Rambo family.
I got a wand. Bippity boppity. Oh.
It's fancy. We've only been on 2 floors, and it's a totally different feel on this floor than the last one. I have a feeling every floor is going to be super unique and super exciting. Finally made it. Oh yeah. We got our own little balcony and 2 seats for us. Look. It's childproof.
The door's Reed proof.
Okay, there we go. It's got a lock right here.
Whoa.
That's Bahamas, here we come.
This is going to be an amazing trip. We are finally back in the room after a long day of activities and checking out the whole cruise ship. And I wanted to give you a brief tour of our room. We were in here a little earlier today, and this room is really posh. I really like it. If you see to my left, there is the bathroom. There is the toilet and a sink in here. But what's really cool about the Disney cruise ship is that they have a separate shower and toilet area. There's something really special in the shower area that I want to show you. In this room right here, we have the shower, and what's really special about this room is that they also have a bathtub, which is really helpful for those who have kiddos, and those kiddos love baths, and I think I might actually take a bath later to decompress after a long travel day. To my right, we also have 2 closets.
2 of them.
One closet has a cushy robe that I can already picture myself wearing after my bath tonight. I think I'm kind of obsessed with robes after our time at the cabin. We also have another closet right here where Reed has put one of his jackets, and we'll probably put some of our clothes in here later tonight.
Don't forget the life jackets.
What's really great is that there's a bunch of room to put stuff. They made sure that you have plenty of space, and we have a really, really comfortable bed. I could almost fall asleep right now. This is a place where Reed and I might hang out and chill after a long day of activities, or maybe in the morning with our coffee. My favorite part of this room is this patio. It is obviously nighttime right now, but I'm really looking forward to coming out here in the mornings. And honestly, this view is also really stellar right now. Take a look for yourself. I love that we all have our own separate patios, and what's cool is if you're with family and they are right next door to you, you can actually unlock your deck so you can visit each other. And you would do that right here. That is our short and brief tour of our room, and we just got a knock. It's time for dinner.
I've been sent by me lady.
Time for dinner. Told ya. This menu looks amazing. There's a lot of really great options on here. What's cool too is that Katie told us the other day that you can get as many entrees as you want, and you can just keep them coming.
Hi. You'll have to show Elsa. It's like very advanced match.
I felt the chill when you walked in the room.
No, I don't do it.
Yoo-hoo!
Three people singing really well.
Oh, sorry. We're at a silent disco. We are different colored lights. We have different colored lights, so we both are listening to different songs. But we're about to jam out, have a dance party at a silent disco. We'll insert music here. Whoa,
Got a dinosaur here.
that was unexpected.
Oh, actually, Katie told us about this, but I totally forgot. When we walk in, this is the first thing you see. You're like, what is that? We have some chocolates. Dinner tonight was fantastic. All the food has been really great. People always talk about food on cruises, and this cruise has not disappointed.
Dessert tonight was mwah. I'm not a huge sweets person, but the butter cake I got was fantastic, and overall it was just a great experience. We're not gonna get shows at the other two restaurants, unfortunately, which sucks, but it was a great way to kick off our experience here. We think we're gonna head to Black Panther, Wakanda Forever. It is showing tonight, and it's the last night that we're gonna be able to see it, because all the other showings are in the morning, and we're gonna be doing stuff with the family in the morning. So we're gonna head to the show, and we're gonna check back in with you in the morning. See you then.
Rambo family trip!
Here we are at the Hyperspace Lounge. This is a Star Wars themed lounge that has different bottles and concoctions that they make. Watch our full video to know how this experience goes. Woo! Yeah!